Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing some shutter painting. We're going to put some new color on there and make it look real nice. So Emily wanted to do them gray, so that's what we're going to do them. She's out back right now sanding down the front door to match this gray. She ended up going to Menards and getting the Rust-Oleum that we're using for the shutters. They matched a gallon of paint for the door, so that'll work out just good. So we'll take you around here and we'll show you what they look like now. Kind of a faded brown for now, so we're gonna paint up 14 of these things today and get them down and put back up. So stay tuned with us and we'll show you how we get it done. Okay, let's check in on how the door's coming. All right, now we're gonna spray and get these things changed over to gray. We're using Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover paint and primer, satin granite color. Works good with plastic, it says. So we'll get these things painted and you guys can watch how we do it. All right, we're about done here. We got a couple left, finished up. We got these over here drying. That one's over there, and then some more over there drying. So she's gonna finish up and take over here, finish the last couple, then we'll get them on the house and show you guys what it looks like. That about does it now. We got all the shutters, all 14 of them done and painted. It only took about 3 hours from the time we ripped them off till the time we put them on. So not bad at all. Not very long a dry time, pretty quick. So that's what they look like. All right, now let's take you over to the door and see how that looks. Yeah, it looks a lot better, all freshened up, no more peeling paint. She did a really good job on that. So the next thing will probably be this storm door. Do that white or something, but for now, that's good enough for today for a Friday afternoon. So, looks really good. If you like what you see, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching another episode of Engelman Outdoors.
Engelman out.